Yep.
He's got a CW44 AC leading and a ES40 or ES44 DC
Behind. He's back.
into the yard because he's making up his train. But a YN2 leading. And
This is a church, but it's an old station, probably Boston, Albany.
And he's got a nice thing here.
Yeah. This crossing is always
Plague.
driving, but still trains man. But yeah, so
Yeah.
oh, and there's ice. Oops. Yeah, cause that's
You can see this is a platform right there.
time. It's church now, but still it offers a good.
View. Hold on, let me move my gloves on. I left extra battery here, so I'll probably charge my phone via the car. But
I'm gonna wait for him to build his train, come back out more. Yeah, he just pulled out randomly
out of West Princewood Yard. I had no idea he was coming. He
surprised me.
I didn't hear him over the stinking GPs.
Yards with your GPs idling, but yeah.
He pulled out, and the signal was going into the yard right because he's hogging the main line. I had no idea he was coming out at all. Surprised me. But
Yeah.
man, this is a pretty. As I said, I didn't see 911. I almost slipped on the ice there. But yeah, I didn't see 911, but this guy is a surprise. So when I upload this video, if any of you guys